Alright, so if a document is not opening on Scribd, yeah, that can be really annoying. But don't worry, in most cases it's a small issue you can fix pretty quickly. Let's go step by step. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Try opening another page to confirm it's not a connection problem. Now refresh the page or close and reopen the document. Yeah, sometimes that alone fixes loading issues. Make sure you're logged in. Some documents won't open unless you're signed into your Scribd account. Some documents require a subscription, so if you don't have access, it may not fully open. Clear your browser cache or app cache to remove temporary glitches causing the problem. If you're using a browser, try switching to another one, or use the Scribd app instead. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. It can sometimes block document loading. Make sure your Scribd app or browser is updated to the latest version. Try opening the document on another device to check if the issue is device-specific. If it still doesn't open, the document might be temporarily unavailable, so wait a bit or contact Scribd support. And yeah, that's how you fix Scribd documents not opening. One of these fixes usually solves it fast.